Friday night from 8 to 11 p.m. Eastern Time, inviting people like you to come play games with me and maybe, just maybe, win amazing prizes. It's easy. I want you to come play with me. Here's how you do it, okay? To be a contestant, you need to go to hsn.com and click the arcade icon at the top of the page to play games and earn tickets. Then click Reward Store to find the Friday Night Game Night Reward icon and submit your tickets for a chance to play with yours truly. Doesn't that sound like fun? You know who it sounds like fun to? Our first guest. Say hello to Arlene from California. Hi, Arlene.
Hi.
You look fantastic. How are you doing?
Thank you, just fine.
I understand you love A Lose Revenge on the arcade.
Yes.
I hear you play it 16 hours a day. Is this true?
Well, that, and I also tell my seniors that I teach computers to.
Oh, really? Oh, very cool.
Yes.
There you go. I love it. Listen, Arlene, you're so special. I love you so much. I'm bringing out another special guest to help you. Here she is. Oh, HSN's own Carrie Smith. You know what? You cheer louder for her than for me. I don't like that, crew.
No, I love it.
Anyway,
keep it up.
Carrie. All right, Carrie.
Hi, Arlene.
Say hi.
Hi.
Carrie, EJ, bring out the hot seat. Carrie, man, the hot seat.
Okay, so Arlene, we're going to win you
Don't ask
great
questions.
prize. I don't know what it is.
Sit down. Don't ask questions. Just sit in the hot
Well, I'll
seat.
see this
All
one
right,
right here.
Here we go.
Okay,
Arlene, the
ready.
game is don't say it, okay?
Yep.
Here are the rules. A word will pop up on the screen behind Carrie, and you're going to have to describe it without using the word so Carrie can guess it, okay?
Oh, we got this, Arlene.
Oh, look how cocky you are. I love that. I love that about you.
I'm confident.
The theme for
Arlene's going to win.
Arlene, the theme for this game is Margaritaville, which is coincidental because Carrie and I hung out at the Margaritaville party today.
All afternoon.
I got really sweaty. All right, you're going to have to get 3 words correct in 60 seconds. Are you ready, Arlene?
Okay, Arlene, let's do this.
Are you ready, Carrie?
I'm so ready.
Let's go. Start the clock. Let's
Okay.
play. Don't say it.
You go to the ocean, and you go in the water, and the whole thing is called a...
Snorkeling, diving,
No,
at
where
the
the
beach.
sand
Right there, right there. That's one. You need 2 more. Keep going. Next one.
And they sway in the breeze, and they're green, and they got...
That's it. Let's go.
One more.
And don't forget your bodily
Underwear.
clothing, because...
Drinks, beers, concoctions. Don't forget.
Keep on. Move on. Next one. Move on, Arlene.
They speak like humans, and they're a bird.
Parrots.
That's it! Arlene, you're a winner. You need to get something. You did it. Nice job. That's great. Hey, let's find out what you want. Arlene.
Okay.
A 7-day Caribbean cruise. You're going on a cruise. The Norwegian Cruise Line. Look how happy you are. All right. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, here are the details. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Listen to this. Arlene and, it's for two. Arlene, airfare for 2, cruise for 2, 7-day Caribbean cruise on the Regent Escape. Oh, so much fun. It's so great. Thank you. Thank you, Arlene. Thank you, Carrie, for being amazing. We make dreams come true here at Friday Night Game Night. If you want to play with me, go to hsn.com and click on Arcade. You can also